All right, so in our last video, we did activity 9. So now we're going to move on to talk about printing. All right, so there may be times where you may want to share your data offline, and this is where printing comes in. All right, so if you want to print, I'm going to give you another keyboard shortcut. If you hold Control and press P, okay. So we are now in our print preview area. All right. So I am not connected to a printer, but if I were, it would have the printer here. If you're not connected to a printer, if you're on a Windows, it will usually say Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, and you can make how many number of copies that you want. All right, and there's a couple of other options down here. All right, like you can change the margins, for example. You can change the paper size. I want to show you next about headers and footers. Okay, so page setup. And over here in this tab where it says header and footer. So a header is separate text at the top of a page, and a footer is separate text at the bottom of the page. All right, so, and this is really used for if you want to make your printed Excel document look a little more stylish. The header and the footer are only displayed on the printed pages. Okay, you will not see this on your, like if I were to go back into my Excel sheet, you will not see the header and footer on there. You will only see it when it's printed. Okay, so I just want to add one. I'm going to do a custom header. All right, so remember header will be at the top. So I'm just going to put, let's say, Excel Basics. Okay, that will be our header. All right, and our footer, I'm going to do a custom footer. All right, and so this page is about AutoSum. So I will just type AutoSum, click OK, click OK. All right, so now as you can see, up here in our header, we have Excel Basics, and in our footer, we have AutoSum. And again, I'm not connected to a printer, but if I were, and if I wanted to print this and everything else looks good, I can just go ahead and click on print, and that will print what you see here.